Hi guys, it's Mommy and Jacey. Say hi, Days. Okay,
Mommy,
guys. So if you watch me, hold on, Jace. So guys, if you watch me and Jacey's videos or me and my kids' videos, you know I live for a good old bush, and for like these big puffy ponytails that these kids wear. But this is the hairstyle that we used to wear back in the day, and I could never. This is the hairstyle we used to wear back in the day, and I could never like depart from Juliana. I could never depart from it all the way, okay? So this is what I do when when the hair is not in a bush or not in like big puffs, to lock in moisture. So this is the kind of hairstyles I use to lock in moisture. When I feel like the hair has been blow dried too much, So I'm using, what I used was Luster's Pink Kids Curl Creation Custard for twist and braids. And this is what I used for her hair. Okay. And then this is what I used for her scalp. This is just for me, Soothing Scalp Balm.
It looks like a heart.
Okay, yeah, guys. So if you want to see how Days did with this hairstyle, say stay tuned. Say stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Go.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Say I love you.
Yeah, you.
Blow kiss. More visual. Kiss Daisy. Say stay tuned.
I do.
No. Say love you guys.
Yeah, you. Mommy, 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 yes. Mommy, 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 mommy.
What?
Yes.
Oh, so cute. Good job. Love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Love you. Mommy? Say for my scalp. Say my name is Jacey. And I'm a big girl. I don't cry. And I do my hair. I do my hair.
No, my hair.
Yes, I do my hair.
I did my hair.
Because I'm a big girl.
No, go.
Say I'd like to do my hair.
My hair. No,
What? Stop. You better.
my friend.
You better stop, Days.
No.
Just.
I'm shy. My hair shy.
Your hair slime?
Yeah.
That is not slime, Days. Say you're so crazy, Days.
Shy.
You crazy. That's not. Look up, Jace. Jacey. Jacey. Look. All done. You're done, Jace. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. You're done. What do you think? Do you like it? Let's see. We gotta go get JJ and Bubba and JoJo. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Tell me. Let me see. Say, I'm all done.